Amazing military technologies that are on another level. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge military tech that's changing the game on the battlefield. So buckle up as we explore 12 of the most amazing military technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Extender Micro Tactical System. Let's start with a tech that's transforming surveillance operations, the Extender Micro Tactical System. This isn't just your average drone system. Extender offers a unique blend of flexibility and simplicity, allowing users to operate one or more drones through virtual or augmented reality. And here's the kicker, you only need one hand to control it. These drones can fly up to 2 kilometers on a single charge, making them perfect for long-range reconnaissance missions. Despite their compact size, they can carry up to 150 grams of cargo, ideal for specialized operations in tight spaces. No GPS, no problem. These drones don't rely on it, making them even more versatile in difficult terrains. FLIR LVSS. Next up is the FLIR LVSS, a system that can turn an ordinary pickup truck into a surveillance powerhouse. Equipped with a 5-meter mast loaded with radar, cameras, and sensors, this system has a surveillance range of 20 kilometers, tracking up to 500 targets simultaneously. That's right, 500 targets. What makes FLIR LVSS even cooler is that it provides real-time data to the operator on 2 17-inch screens. No need to step outside the vehicle, everything is controlled from the cabin, allowing for maximum safety and efficiency. Whether monitoring a battlefield or securing a perimeter, this system can get the job done. Stinger Armored Vehicle. The Stinger Armored Vehicle is a serious contender when it comes to military transport and reconnaissance. It can reach speeds of up to 120 km/h, which is pretty remarkable for an armored vehicle. What really sets the Stinger apart, though, is its ability to be controlled remotely. This offers incredible flexibility in combat situations where the crew might need to stay out of direct harm's way. Protection-wise, the Stinger meets STANAG 4560 standards, meaning it can withstand hits from 7.62mm bullets and even survive a 10 kilos landmine explosion. Plus, it can be fitted with machine guns, cannons, and rocket launchers based on the mission requirements, making it a highly adaptable vehicle for any scenario. Mantis Modules. If you're looking for versatility, the Mantis modules are where it's at. These systems can be mounted on everything from infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, to boats, and even warships. The Mantis comes in 2 versions, the Mini, which can be equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun, and the Advanced version, which can handle 12.7mm machine guns and 30-40mm grenade launchers. What's impressive is its ability to target UAVs and drones, making it a defensive powerhouse. The manufacturers even offer customized versions based on the customer's needs, ensuring that this tech can adapt to any combat environment. Shadow Nav Module. Underwater navigation just got a lot easier thanks to the Shadow Nav module. Developed in collaboration with the US Navy, this device attaches to a diver's mask and displays critical information like depth, course, and dive time right in front of their eyes. No more fiddling with instruments while underwater. The display is adjustable for brightness, making it perfect for low visibility environments. Whether you're on a military operation or a civilian dive, this technology provides a clear edge in underwater navigation. It's compact, easy to use, and ensures that divers can stay focused on their mission even in challenging conditions. Barracuda Alcast FSS Camouflage Net. Next we have the Barracuda Alcast FSS Camouflage Net. Unlike traditional camouflage, this net is designed to hide vehicles and soldiers from thermal imaging and radar. But here's the cool part, it's still radio transparent. That means users can communicate through radios and GPS systems without being detected. It's perfect for covert operations where remaining invisible to enemy surveillance is crucial. Not only does it block radar signals in the 1 to 100 GHz range, but it also reduces heating from sunlight by 80%, making it one of the most advanced camouflage systems out there. JFD SEAL Carrier. Now let's talk about JFD SEAL Carrier, a high-tech vehicle designed to covertly insert and extract combat diver units. This versatile delivery vehicle accommodates up to 8 swimmers and operates in 3 modes: surface, semi-submerged, and fully submerged. On the surface, it reaches speeds of up to 30 mph, but when submerged, it moves stealthily at 4 knots, making it ideal for covert operations. Its power comes from a 345 horsepower diesel engine paired with a water jet, allowing it to navigate effortlessly through various aquatic environments environments. With advanced sensors and navigation systems on board, the SEAL carrier ensures precise positioning and a secure journey for its crew. In addition, it can transport mission-critical equipment like radio systems, ammunition, and supplies. This game-changing tech allows special forces to operate undetected in high-risk areas. Roadrunner M. Next up is the Roadrunner M, an advanced ground-based air defense system. This autonomous vehicle is designed for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, offering unmatched maneuverability in the air. Powered by twin turbojet engines, it reaches subsonic speeds while maintaining precision and agility. Its primary mission is to intercept and destroy aerial threats with lightning speed. The Roadrunner M stands out for its AI-driven capabilities, allowing a single operator to monitor multiple units at once. Even more impressive is its cost-effectiveness. His HD thermal sniper sight. For precision and clarity in extreme conditions, snipers and machine gunners rely on the Shiz HD Thermal Sniper Sight by Tadine Fleur. This thermal weapon sight offers high-definition clarity and sensitivity, allowing operators to detect and engage targets over 2,200 meters away, even in total darkness or low-light environments. Equipped with a motorized focus system, it delivers an incredibly detailed thermal image through a mid-wave infrared imager. This system mounts easily on standard rifles and interacts with a variety of day scopes, making it a versatile tool for long-range operation. Blue Whale Autonomous Submarine. Meet the Blue Whale Autonomous Submarine, a next-generation underwater vehicle designed for intelligence gathering, mine countermeasures, and reconnaissance missions. Developed by Atlas Electronics and Israel Aerospace Industries, this stealthy submarine weighs 5.5 tons and operates for up to 30 days without needing human intervention. The Blue Whale is equipped with cutting-edge sensors, including radar, electro-optical systems, infrared, and sonar, all housed in a unique telescopic mast. This allows it to detect targets both above and below the water's surface, making it highly efficient for covert operations in hostile environments. It's portable too. This advanced system can fit inside a standard shipping container, making it easy to transport by land, air, or sea. Crossbow Elbit Systems. The crossbow from Elbit Systems is a turreted mortar system that provides fast, accurate fire support. It's capable of launching 6 rounds per minute with a maximum rate of 10 rounds per minute. The first round can be fired within 30 seconds, making it ideal for rapid response scenarios. This system is highly adaptable, firing a variety of projectiles, including the advanced Iron Sting guided mortar. It can be mounted on 6.6 and 808 platforms or even stationary installations. Its computerized fire control system and 360-degree pivoting capability ensure accuracy, even in areas without GPS. Recently, a European customer placed a $53 million contract for this system, underscoring its effectiveness and reliability in modern combat situations. Rogue One Lethal UAV. Finally, let's talk about the Rogue One Lethal UAV by Tadine Fleur Defense. This cutting-edge drone is designed for vertical takeoff and landing and is fully capable of carrying out both lethal and non-lethal missions. With a top speed of over 70 minutes and a range of 10 kilometers, this UAV is perfect for quick tactical deployments. What sets Rogue One apart is its modular design, which allows it to be customized with different payloads, including electro-optical sensors and thermal cameras. This drone's superior night and day reconnaissance capabilities make it a formidable asset in the modern battlefield. And there you have it, 12 of the most amazing military technologies that are pushing the limits of modern warfare. From unmanned aerial systems to advanced thermal sights, these technologies are changing the way military forces operate in the most demanding environments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the world's most incredible technologies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.